A lot of people keep asking me, what is the best time to invest in the stock market? Well, to be honest, the best time to invest in the stock market is when you were born. Unfortunately, we don't have a time machine to go back. So the second best time you can invest is today. So here's a strategy for you guys to start investing. At the start of every month, when the salary gets credited to your account, save some amount of money. Let's say in this case, 1,000 rupees can be saved from your salary. That 1,000 rupees can be invested in the stock market via mutual funds or ETFs. These mutual funds and ETFs are basically betting that India as a country will grow in the long run. And if that plays out, you can earn close to 15 to 20% per annum. Now let us see what will happen to your 1,000 rupees if you invest it every month for the next 10 years. So here we are keeping an initial investment of 1,000 rupees. We are expecting an annual return of 15% for a period of 10 years, and we will be adding 1,000 rupees every single month. Now you can see you have earned close to 344% return, and that equates to almost 1.6 lakhs profit by just investing 1,000 rupees every month. Now what if you could grow your money at 20%? Well, you'll see the magic happen. You have earned close to 2.62 lakh rupees with the investment of just 1.2 lakhs in a period of 10 years. So this is power of compounding, and as you invest, your money will grow. And the best part is you can start investing with just 1,000 rupees, and as you earn more and more, you can start increasing this amount, and over a period of time, this amount will become a significant pool of money that will help you and your family in the future. So guys, if you want more practical and useful tips like this, follow Trade Genie and make sure you share it with your friends and family who needs to start investing. Thank you.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. The securities are quoted as an example and not as a recommendation.